Hi! Today we're making Mok Gai, or steamed chicken with aromatics and herbs. This version is made with optional bean thread noodles that has been soaked, drained, and then cut into small pieces. Then using a mortar and pestle, pound lemongrass, Thai chilies, kaffir lime leaves, salt, and shallots or onions together until you get a rough paste. Then add 3 tablespoons of uncooked sticky rice that has been soaked overnight. Pound until we get a finer paste. Add the paste to 2 pounds of chicken. Season with fish sauce and MSG if using. Mix well, before adding in the noodles and about 2 cups of lemon basil. Then we'll add about ½ cup of the mixture to a clean sheet of banana leaf and/or aluminum foil. Press the long ends of the sheet together. Then fold the short ends into triangles and press into form the parcels. Place the parcels on a steamer tray and steam in prepared steamer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Serve with sticky rice or jasmine rice. Enjoy! For this recipe, tips, and more, visit crumbs.com.